Today is Tuesday, August 26th. This is the 1975 Cadillac wiper control module. This module was used from 75 through 78. This is a fully restored show quality unit. This is video number 2 out of a 2-video set, whereas the predecessor video showed the fully disassembled unit spread across the bench and the different components that were serviced. The black face was revitalized and resprayed. The silver argent inlay around the slot perimeters has been re-edged, the chrome polished, and of course the electronics internally serviced, including the resistor strip for the delay feature. So I have my unit connected to power. I'm going to be doing a functional validation test. I have my ohm meter setting ready to test the resistance strip for the delay for my friend Kelly. And this will be going to Kelly in Oklahoma as soon as I get his okay to ship, reply confirmation. We've got a light bulb here to indicate the power. I'll go ahead and turn the unit on and the power comes on. Shut it off and the power goes off. Press the wash button and the light bulb comes on. Go all the way to high, back down to 0. Now we're going to test the slide feature, and we're going to be looking at the resistance. I'm set here on my meter 2 resistance, and we're going to go ahead and elevate to max, and we can see our ohm reading at 1942. And as we slide downwardly to the midpoint for delay, we can see we're dropping down to 138. As we slide down to the minimum, we go down to approximately 20. Okay, and then of course when we shut it off, we go down to 0 essentially. Okay. So this is the 1975 Cadillac DeVille fully restored wiper switch. This is from my friend Kelly in Oklahoma. These units were used from 1975 through 1978. This is Georgia and Florida. I have over 375,000 original inch parts from 1959 through 1976, all the way through 78 for the Eldorados. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical, hard-to-source, original vintage Cadillac items, including the show quality restoration of these 75 through 78 wiper switches. Okay, today is Tuesday, August 28th. This is George in Florida. Thank you very kindly.